Hi guys, today I've got this easy messy low chignon. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to section off the hair from ear to ear. Now use a brush to smooth this to the back of the head, and then just tie it off in a clear elastic band. Now make a hole with your fingers behind that elastic band, pop a couple of fingers through, pass your ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a small twist. Apply some texture spray over those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently using your fingers pinch and pull the hair at the crown and also on both sides of those twists for a little bit more messy volume. Now gather the hair up into a low ponytail, but on the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. This way you'll create a little loop. Divide the hair that's hanging down in half, and all we're going to do is bring this up above that little chignon or bun that we've just made. Join the two sections together, and then just tie them together with a clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers behind that elastic band, loosen it up a little bit so you've got a bit of slack, and then all we're going to do is pass the tail ends up and through that hole twice to create a tight twist. Now grabbing hold of that twist, we're just going to rotate it all the way round so we create another loop, and then we're going to pass that bun section through the middle of the loop and then tighten it up by pulling. Next, pinch and pull at that twisted section. And if you can see your tail ends, just wrap them around your fingers and roll them up, and then just pin them to the head underneath that little bun. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.